today we're looking at this monitor. It's 27 inches, it's got FreeSync, it's an IPS screen, and it's 180 Hz. The ElectriQ 27QHD180I is a 27-inch gaming monitor with Quad HD resolution, featuring an IPS panel for wide viewing angles and consistent colour reproduction. It offers a 180 Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time, aiming to reduce motion blur during fast-paced gaming. The monitor includes AMD FreeSync support to help reduce screen tearing. Connectivity options comprise of 2 HDMI 2.0 ports and 2 DisplayPort 1.4 imports and a headphone jack. The design features slim bezels and VESA 75x75mm mounting compatibility. The packaging is straightforward, a basic brown box featuring a simple diagram and an energy rating sticker marked F. There are no specifications or features listed. Inside you'll find everything needed for setup: a user manual, screws, a DisplayPort cable, a power cable with a built-in power brick, a stand and base, and a plastic cover, and of course the monitor itself. Assembly is easy and quick. Simply slot the stand into the back of the monitor, secure it with 2 screws using a Phillips screwdriver, attach the base with 1 additional screw, and then clip in the plastic cover. Finally, connect your cables and power to the monitor. The back of the monitor features a red oval accent around the VESA compatible mounting area, surrounded by a stylish honeycomb pattern. There's a joystick control on the back for navigating settings, which also doubles up as an on and off switch, but unfortunately that makes it a bit of a problem when trying to control the joystick, because usually when you press in that means OK, but unfortunately on this screen when you press in it turns it off. One thing to note, that this screen does not have any speakers built in. On the front you'll notice slim bezels and the logo centered at the bottom. Adjustment options are limited to tilt only. There's no height or swivel adjustments, and no cable management built into the stand. Stability wise, the monitor has some slight wobble due to the basic stand design. It isn't severe, but it's noticeable. Where the monitor really stands out is its picture quality. The 1440 resolution provides sharp images, enhanced by vibrant colours and wide viewing angles of the IPS panel. With a 180 Hz refresh rate, gameplay is incredibly smooth, especially when paired with AMD FreeSync to reduce screen tearing. HDR is supported, though we found it more like enhanced contrast rather than true high dynamic range. Remember, achieving the full 180 Hz at 1440p requires using the DisplayPort connector rather than HDMI. Overall, if you're after a monitor that delivers excellent visual performance, low response times, and smooth gameplay without the frills of RGB lighting or elaborate stands, the ElectriQ 27QHD180I is a solid choice that focuses squarely on what matters most to gamers. The TechMAX Expo 25 is the UK's top tech trade show, bringing together hundreds of IT professionals. It's a great opportunity to strengthen relationships with vendors and distributors while networking with industry leaders. You can explore the latest tech and services for growing your IT business. There is also thousands of pounds of prizes up for grabs. And not only that, it's free to attend the day event. The event takes place on the 27th of June 2025 at Magna Adventure and Science Centre near Meadowhall in Sheffield. Features include a live Tech Awards ceremony, evening retro entertainment, meeting areas, and interactive demos. Can you afford not to be one of the 800 IT professionals who are expected to attend? Registration is now open at tftmax.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.